Hello everyone, this is Chunmei from China office. Our hackathon idea is Android Instant App Demo. We have three other team members, Martin, Haoyu, and Rin. Before we get started to demo what we've done, let me briefly introduce what is Android Instant App. It is native Android apps without installation. Android Studio provides the tools you need to modularize your app so that users load only the portion of the instant app that they need when they need it. And it can access from anywhere. It's just a shareable link. You can share it via instant message, social media, and even email. So let's see our demo. For example, you have a link from your friends show you a computer job, and when you click it in your mobile, it will open the browser directly and direct you to the CB computer mobile site. Yeah, this is a mobile site, and if we have instant app enabled, click the same link, it will immediately open the instant app. And with, as you can see, with better experience, just like real app, and it shows install full version options in the instant app, and you can directly install the full app directly here. And if you already installed the instant app, click the same link, it will open the full version directly, but without the instant full version options show up. Okay, we call real CB API. It's a bit slow. And for those who are start looking for a job and they find many apps, recruiter apps in the market, they don't know which one they need to install. With instant app, they can have try now options. They can use the app without install it first. The same user experience but without install it, and they can install it whenever they like in the instant app. And as you can see in the demo, this is the advantage of the instant app. It has better user experience compared to the web pages and no installation required. It's just a link to the existing URLs, and you have try now option on the Play Store. For those who are looking for new opportunities, we will direct them, bring these users to our app, install the web pages, and the option for them to install the full version gives more exposure of our app. It could potentially increase the app installation rate. Let's see what we've done in the last 24 hours. We built a back-end service for retrieving job information through CB API and link our demo domain name with our demo Android app. And we built an Android app with two features, job details page that calls CB API and renders a job, and job results with a few hard-code jobs so that they can navigate to corresponding job details view. This is for prove the concept that switching between multiple views in both instant and full app. And we published this app to Google Play Store. It takes hours to take effect. Now you can search CB instance demo in the Google Play. You can verify our work. And any other questions? Thank you for your time.